Hey, how's it going, everyone? Got a update today. Finally got some time to get in the garage and work on the transmission and some other things. We did actually get, or I actually did get the whole thing completely apart. Just bare case, including the fifth gear pawl thing in there. And kind of have everything laid out in a diagram kind of way. So once you get this front cover off, bolts onto there, then this guy pulls straight out. There is a little bearing in there, which would be this guy, and then this guy also likes to try to come off of here, and then there's this bearing that also sits on this surface here. Then the actual synchro ring comes off of there. Not before you can pull this out, but to get this out, did have to make some room. Had to go ahead and knock this front seal out to get some more play on the bottom shaft, along with get the outer race on the back end on the lower shaft out, and that'll get you enough room to tilt the upper shaft enough to get it out. And then to get the lower one out, I actually had to pull this bearing to get enough clearance between that bottom hole and that front gear was contacting somewhere up here, which is fine. You know, get your normal bearing puller and put on the back of the shaft, pulls off nice and easy. And then there's this little gear sitting down here where this big hole is, and you'll see that end of the pin in that big hole. And then getting this pawl out is as simple as knocking that pin out, which I did going top down, kind of a long reach, so maybe some longer punches would be helpful, but got it done with just a normal punch and a hammer. So yeah, that's it. It's all tore apart. I think the only thing I'll really be replacing is gaskets. The main bearings, I don't think the kit I'm ordering comes with these little bearings, but from everything I'm seeing, these bearings almost never fail because they're not really under load, they're just guiding a constant spin. So those should be fine, and everything looks fine, which I'm very happy about. I know nothing about this transmission other than I was the one driving on it since 2016, and it's a 93, so I'm glad to see no chipped teeth or anything, especially for me being a first-time driver at the age of 16 and grinding some gears and doing burnouts and stupid shit. I'm 24. I'm not necessarily any smarter. I'm just better at doing it. But yeah, so main bearings, gaskets. Gonna spend, oh my god, too long degreasing and cleaning the case pieces because I do want them to look nice. So I'm going to do my damned best to clean them and paint them, and hopefully it actually pays off, because I would like to have it all look nice after doing all this work and everything. Just like the engine, it's painted and looks nice besides the headers, but that will change. I'll either wrap them or paint them, I don't know yet. I'm waiting to see if they'll even fit past the 4x4 shit, which I doubt it. Yes, I know it's a mess, it always is. Got a bunch of shit going on all of the time. Also got a kitchen remodel getting ready to go on. That's what all those boxes are. But yeah, that's about it for the transmission. The only other thing I got done today was on the 86 Vulcan. It recently got a new master cylinder, so I had to bleed the brakes. Got a actual vacuum bleeder to do it because my little hand pump one wasn't working too well. Hooked up an actual air vacuum bleeder to it, and that got it perfectly fine. Can basically only use the front brake now, so that's all good there. Engine's out of gas because it evaporated out of the can. I forgot to close it up, and it's been like 100 degrees for the past month, so all that evaporated out. But it's still here. It's still running good. Just needs tuned. Boxes. Harbor Freight sponsorship would be awesome. I mean, it's all I buy, essentially. And then hand-me-downs and shit. But anyway, that's about it for Wednesday. Or Tuesday. What day is it? It's Tuesday. That's about it for this Tuesday.